Welcome to InfyGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video we have another very interesting question from algebra which we'll be solving for the real values of x. So let's get started straight away by writing denominators cannot be 0. So we'll write x square plus 3x minus 3 should not be 0 and x square plus 3x minus 5 should not be equal to 0. So let us find x. X will be equal to minus 3 plus minus the square root of 9 plus 12, 21 over 2. X cannot be equal to minus 3 plus minus the square root 21 over 2, and x cannot be equal to minus 3 plus minus the square root of 29 over 2. Now we are going to take LCM over here. So we will multiply denominator with 3. So we can write 3x square plus 3 times 3x 9x plus 3 times minus 3 minus 9. Then we have minus 2x square minus 6x plus 5. And in denominator we will write x square plus 3x minus 3. We have whole square here plus 4 times denominator. So 4x square plus 12x minus 20 minus 3x square minus 9x plus 16 over denominator is x square plus 3x minus 5. We have whole square. RHS equal to RHS 2. Now 3x square minus 2x square is x square. 9x minus 6x plus 3x minus 9 plus 5 minus 4 over denominator is x square plus 3x minus 3 whole square plus 4x square minus 3x square x square. 12x minus 9x is 3x minus 20 plus 16 minus 4 over denominator x square plus 3x minus 5 whole square equal to 2. Now we will be considering substitution. So let us consider numerator. Let me write here x square plus 3x minus 4. Suppose this is equal to a. So denominator will become a plus 1 and a minus 1. So we can write our equation in a over a plus 1 whole square plus a over a minus 1 whole square equal to 2. Now we'll use one powerful algebraic formula. It is p square plus q square. Let me write here p square plus q square can be written as p plus q whole square minus twice pq. Let's assume a over a plus 1 is p, a over a minus 1 is q. So we have to find p plus q first. Let me write here a over a plus 1 plus a over a minus 1. This is p plus q. Let's put whole square over here. Minus 2 times product of both. So we'll write a over a plus 1 times a over a minus 1 equal to 2, or we can write minus 2 equal to 0. Now we have to simplify this bracket first. So a square minus a plus a square plus a minus a plus a will be over. We will get a square plus a square 2a square. So 2a square will be there in the numerator. In denominator it is a plus 1 times a minus 1. We will use difference of two squares formula and write a square minus 1 over there. Then we have whole square minus 2a square over a square minus 1 minus 2 equal to 0. Now this is one quadratic equation in 2a square over a square minus 1. So let us assume 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to something. Let me write here 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to u. So we can write our equation in u square minus u minus 2 equal to 0. Remember, u is 2a square over a square minus 1. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation. We'll write here u square minus u minus 2 equal to 0. Now we'll be using factorization method. We can split our middle term minus u equal to minus 2u plus u. Then we have minus 2 equal to 0. From first two terms, we'll take u common. So u minus 2 will be in the bracket. From next two terms, 1 is common. So there will be u minus 2 equal to 0. Now our factorization is done. Once we'll take u minus 2 common. So u minus 2 times u plus 1 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we are going to get u equal to negative 1 and u equal to 2. Now u is 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to minus 1. 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to 2. Let's solve second equation first. We will cross multiply and we can write 2a square is equal to 2a square minus 2. Now we will subtract 2a square from both the sides. So there will be 0 in LHS, minus 2 in the RHS. But in real mathematics, 0 cannot be minus 2. So we will reject this equation as we are looking for real values of x. Now we have to solve first equation. Let's cross multiply. 2a square will be equal to 1 minus a square. By adding a square to both sides, 3a square will be equal to 1. Now we'll divide by 3 both sides. So a square will be equal to 1 over 3. After taking a square root both sides, a will be equal to plus minus 1 over square root 3. Now we can rationalize our denominator by multiplying root 3 in the numerator denominator. We will get plus minus root 3 over 3. So we have a equal to plus minus root 3 over 3. Let me write here plus minus square root 3 over 3. A is our substitution x square minus 3x minus 4. So let me write here our substitution A. X square, here it is x square plus 3x minus 4. So we'll write x square plus 3x minus 4 equal to plus minus square root 3 over 3. We'll take minus 4 to the right hand side. So we'll be writing here x square plus 3x in left hand side will be equal to plus minus square root 3 over 3 plus 4. Now we are going to use completing the square method. Here we have coefficient of x, 3. Half of 3 is 3 over 2. Square of 3 over 2 is 9 over 4. So we need to add 9 over 4 both sides. Now LHS will give us perfect square of x plus 3 over 2. So we can write x plus 3 over 2 whole square in left hand side. Now we will simplify this bracket first. So 4 plus 9 over 4 will be 25 over 4. So we can write 25 over 4 plus minus root 3 over 3. Now we have to take a square root both sides, but before that we will take LCM of right hand side. So I can write here 25 times 3, 75 plus minus 4 root 3 over 12. So our equation is x plus 3 over 2 whole square equal to 75 plus minus 4 root 3 over 12. Let me write here 75 plus minus 4 square root 3 over 12 will be equal to x plus 3 over 2 whole square. Now can we generate one perfect square in denominator? Yes, 12 times 3 is 36. So let us multiply here with 3. So in the numerator. So we can write equal to 3 times 75 plus minus 4 square root 3 in the numerator. And we can write 36 in the denominator, which is the square of 6. So I will write here x plus 3 over 2 whole square equal to 3 times 75 plus minus 4 square root 3 over 6 square. Now we'll take square root both sides. We'll be getting x plus 3 over 2 equal to plus minus sign square root of numerator, which is 3 times 75 plus minus 4 square root 3, and in denominator we will write 6 only. Now we have to take 3 over 2 to the RHS. So we will write x equal to minus 3 over 2 plus minus square root of 3 times 75. Let me write here x equal to minus 3 over 2 plus minus square root of 3 times in the bracket 75 plus minus 4 square root 3, and in denominator there will be 6. Now I want to create 6 over here. So I need to multiply 3 in the numerator denominator. Now 3 times 3 is 9. So we'll write minus 9 over 6 plus minus square root of 3 times 75 plus minus 4 square root 3 over 6. Now we'll take 6 common from the denominator. So I can write 1 over 6 here, and in bracket we can write minus 9 plus minus square root of 3 times in bracket 75 plus minus 4 square root 3. So we have 4 real values of x, and it is not matching with our rejected list also. So there are 4 real solutions. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.